What is the angle in degrees between the x-axis and the line connecting the coordinates 3, -1 and 4, -2? Okay, let's try to understand the problem graphically first. So we'll consider the coordinate axis. So let's plot the point 3, -1. So 3, -1, let's say this is the point A with coordinate 3, -1. And then we have another point B with the coordinates 4, -2. We're going to join the 2 points with the help of a straight line. Now our goal will be to determine the angle that this particular line, let's call this line as L1, the line that makes with the x-axis. So this could be this angle theta, or we can say this is this particular angle theta prime. Okay, we'll find a value accordingly. Now let's try to find out theta. To find out the angle theta, we're going to use the formula tangent of theta is given by the absolute value of m1 minus m2 divided by m1 plus m1 times m2. So where m1 and m2 are the slope of the two lines. Okay, so let's find out the slope of the x-axis. Now what's the slope of the x-axis? We're going to denote it by m1. The slope of the x-axis is always going to be 0. That's by definition. Any line that's parallel to the x-axis or the x-axis is going to have a 0 slope. Then we can also find out the slope of the other line. So slope of L1, let's call it m2. So this will be equals to, we'll take the ratio. In the numerator, we need the difference of the y coordinate. So we'll take -1 minus -2. And in the denominator, we have 3 minus 4. So this is going to give us a value -1. Fine. Now the tangent of theta, that is going to be equals to absolute value of m1 minus m2 divided by 1 plus, now clearly m1 times m2, this will be 0 because m1 is 0. So that means we have tangent of theta equals to absolute value of 1, or simply tangent of theta equals to 1. Fine. Now tangent of theta equals to 1 means theta value, that's going to be equals to 45 degrees. That's by definition. And if we know theta, then we can also find out theta prime, which is nothing but simply 180 degree minus 45 degree. So that means we have 135 degrees. So that means option A 45 degree and option C 135 degree. So those are going to be the two angles that the line L1 makes with the x-axis.